Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can make Bumble account, but before that please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. So for that, first of all, access your particular Bumble app on your phone. Now right over here you do have a three option. You can choose to continue with your Apple if you are on your iOS, or you can choose to do it with Facebook, or simply access your cell number, add in the number of yours, tap on OK for the verifying purpose. Simply go ahead, enter the code once you have received it, and tap on this icon. And now you're gonna enter your name. Tap on this icon again, and you have to simply provide the photos for the purpose, and tap on this next icon and enter your birth date, tap on next, confirm your age, your gender, whatever you choose. You can skip the steps are, and you can manually add afterwards as well. For me, I'm gonna skip this for the video's purpose. You can do that afterwards as well. These are the information which will define you and introduce you as a person, so it's kind of important. You can choose to take your time and add in them accordingly. Agree to the terms and condition and start swiping, and you're good to go. That is the way for you to do so. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys